Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to help resolve the Excel found unreadable content error. Do you want to recover the contents of this workbook? If you trust the source of this workbook, click yes. So hopefully I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it without too much of a hassle here, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to go ahead and just type in Excel. Best match should come back with Excel. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. You can select a blank workbook to start here, and then you want to left click on the File tab up in the top left click on Open, and then you want to just navigate over whatever file you were having the problems with. So I'm going to browse. File's actually on my desktop here, so I'm just going to go to the desktop, and then I'm going to select that workbook, and then hopefully it should be able to open up without issue. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.